In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate link in Whop. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account. Once you're in, you'll want to start on your main Whop home dashboard. This is usually the page you see right after signing in. If you're not there, you can get back to it by clicking on the home or dashboard option in the menu. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct page, because all of the options we need are available from this home view. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your profile picture or just a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. This menu is where Whop groups together your account-related options, and it's the quickest way to get into your affiliate settings. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Affiliates and click on it. This will take you to the Affiliates area inside Whop. Think of this as your central hub for everything related to referrals, commissions, and affiliate links. Once you're on the affiliates page, you should see an option that says Apply to be a partner. Go ahead and click on that. At this stage, you're letting Whop know that you want to become an affiliate or partner, so they can review your information and approve you for their program. Clicking that will bring you to the partner or agency partners section. Here, you'll see a button that says Join Waitlist. Click on Join Waitlist to start your application process. Even if it's a waitlist, it's still the correct path toward getting your affiliate link, so don't skip this step. You'll now see a form with a few questions. The first important field asks for your primary social username. Click into that field and type in the main handle you use online, such as your main Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter username. Choose the platform where you expect to promote Whop the most, and make sure you type it accurately so the team can verify you if needed. Next, you'll see a question asking how you plan on onboarding new creators to Whop. Click into this field and describe in a few sentences how you intend to bring people onto the platform. For example, you might mention creating tutorial videos, posting reviews, sharing links in a community, or working with clients directly. Try to be clear and specific so they understand your strategy. You'll also find a field that asks whether you've referred any new sellers to Whop before. Click into that field and answer honestly. If you have, briefly mention how many or give a short description. If you haven't, just say that you haven't yet. Transparency here helps set realistic expectations. Once you've filled out all of these fields and you're happy with your answers, look for the Continue button. Click on Continue to submit your information. After this, your application goes to Whop for review. When you're approved as a partner, you'll be able to access your affiliate dashboard and generate your unique affiliate